Hey guys, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a vlog style video that's going to be behind the scenes of how I do my YouTube setup. And if you wait till the end, I will also show you my empty apartment tour. So without further ado, let's get to the video. All right, so I haven't done this in a while, so definitely bear with me. Sorry if it's kind of shaky or if the volume is off or just anything, sorry. And I don't, as you can see, have the cleanest apartment right now, but that's just, you know, real life. All right, so on the floor in front of me here, I have what will be another soft box. These are the soft box covers. This is the light that will go in it. This is the camera that I film with. This is a really old model of Canon. It's the T3i. I know they're like on like a T6 or G7 or something like that right now. But yeah, I bought this camera back when I first started YouTube back in 2015. So at the time, this was like a more recent model, but anywho, then in this box, I just kind of have other things that I use that can help with filming. Like I have my microphone that has not been working lately. As you guys can see here, I use like an adapter so that I don't have to worry about batteries at all. I just plug this adapter in. Sorry, here is the cord that goes with it. That just goes into my camera's battery right there. Then I think in here I just mostly have battery packs. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you all basically how I get ready to film. Today I'm going to be bulk filming, meaning I'm going to be filming a lot of videos at once. So as you can see, I already did my makeup. This lighting is good right here. And don't worry about my, you know, maybe we'll edit out my laundry in the background. So yeah, I'm gonna prop you guys up and then just kind of explain to you all what I'm doing as I'm doing it. I really hope this is helpful for you all. Ooh, phone call. Hopefully you can see me okay. All right, so first you start with this stand. And this is pretty much what I go through every single video that I film. So for people who think that this is just so easy, it's just not the case. All right, so this is the stand. I'm gonna lift it up. And this is the box. And I like to open it before I put it on. It just makes it easier for me personally. And it snaps open. And you just twist it on. And this is the light. Right now, this in itself is okay, but it would be a really bright light beaming down on me, so it would make harsh shadows. I hope that makes sense. So we want to diffuse the harshness of it, so we would put on these covers that diffuse the light, disperse it. It makes it a little bit more even when it shines on me. And these just Velcro on. All right, so as you can see, I have both the lights set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually turn these on so that you guys can see me a little bit better in this video. All right, so you guys can totally see the difference now that I have the lights shining on me. You guys can actually see me. So I'll go ahead and do a side-by-side of how I look now with the lights versus how it was before when I brought you guys over here. All right, guys, so this is what you see from behind the camera. So you can see me, my computer. These are my two soft boxes. And then this is probably familiar to you all if you watch my videos. This is usually my background. So I'm gonna come on the other side and show you what everything looks like. All right, so as you can see, I have both of my soft boxes. I have my camera on the tripod, and then this is the computer. And then this is, of course, the chair that I'm gonna sit in. So I'm gonna show you all how I tether my camera to my computer so that I can have a better view. And it's called a micro USB cable. And this part goes into the camera. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for the shakiness, but as you can see, there's a little micro USB. So I'm gonna put this in there. And then the other side is a USB that would go into your computer. All right, guys, so this is my filming setup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And now let's cut to my empty apartment tour. All right, so this is what the apartment looks like when you come in. I do have an alarm system, which I love. And then it's got a pretty similar layout to my old apartment. This is the kitchen. I love the tile backsplash. In my old place, it was gray. In this place, it's white. And then, okay, so coming from the entrance, this is my laundry area. And then you kind of got this, like this is your view from the entrance. So as you walk in, you can see you come into the living room. And then when you go to the right, you'll see my bedroom, which is a pretty good size. And then my bathrooms. This is my sink area. Got way more room here in this bathroom than in my old place. So this is my, as you can see, it's really similar because it's the same builder. So it's really similar to my old apartment. And then there is a ridiculous amount of space over here by the toilet. And here's my closet. And just lots of rooms. So I hope you all enjoyed that behind the scenes of my YouTube setup. I also hope you enjoyed my empty apartment tour. Of course, if you like videos like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Remember to be good to yourself, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye, guys.